promise. Heels kiss. Slide that heel into the arch of the other and just give me a nice, beautiful stance. Yeah? Hands on hips, chest up, shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down. Other shoulder, please. Lift up and down. Now the idea is that if you're going to lift up really high, then you're going to go down, other side. So I'm just as interested in the down as the up. Other side. What does that mean? A little, a whole lot. A little, a whole lot. Focus on the down. Last time, last time. Lift up a little, push down a lot. Lift up a little. Pull that shoulder blade, that scapula down. Other side. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Last time, rest. Forward, back. Forward, back. I'm moving both of shoulders for time management. Make sure the feet and the glutes are strong so your hips are not twisting. Now let's just do one shoulder. Check me out. Forward, pull back. Again, the forward is important, but you know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for your ability to pull that shoulder back. Not to lift it, but to pull it back. Hold on to those hips. That will guide, aha. I'm not looking for the elbow. What am I looking for? Shoulder. Forward, back. It's tricky. Other side switch. You'll see why we're doing this, yeah. Forward, back. Great for the body. And we're learning how to belly dance. It's a win-win, right? Wrist is down. Hold that hip. Yes, back. Just explore that. You might not have ever done this. Maybe you haven't done it in a long time. Hold it, other side. Check me out. Forward, up, back, down. Did you catch it? Forward, up, back, drop. Forward, up, back, drop. Last time, forward, up. Now can you connect the dots with that? Can you go up and back, up and back, down, up and roll it back. If you feel the music is too fast, go smaller. Go smaller, my cutie patooties. Yes. And in fact, can everyone go smaller? Less is more. Super sexy. Speak with your shoulder. I always joke, you guys have been with me, you've heard this one before. I'm obsessed with Brad Pitt, so this is like, hey Brad, like, hi, like I'm flirting with him with my shoulder. Hi. Or you get pulled over by a police officer and you have to kind of get out of a ticket and you're like, I'm so sorry, I didn't realize I was just working on my shoulder circles. Yeah. Last time, other side. Let's switch our feet for a minute. I joke about that, but it's supposed to be sexy, coquettish, flirty. Yes, this is supposed to be a little flirty. Don't do it to someone that you're not trying to flirt with, okay? Let's break it down here. Give me forward, up, back, down. So we're gonna do the other shoulder. We switched our feet just to give a little bit of a symmetrical feel. And we have those 4 parts. Make sure you hold on to those hips. I know it's hard that this hand wants to let go, but you gotta hold on. Back. One more time. So I like to break things down. Now put it together, make a a shoulder circle. And back. Up, roll it back. Forward, roll back. Again, make it smaller to suit you, to match the music. Down, up, and back. Look super sexy. Can you give me like a little more like sexy? They're like, no, because you're looking weirdo, teacher. Just kidding. Look, sexy. Own it, feel pretty. It's very empowering shoulders, believe it or not. And rest, shake it out. What kind of class is this? Check me out, we're not done. This is it, then we're water break. Feet, grow. They're like, no, not more. Yes, we have to apply it, and then I'll let you get some water. Arms at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Can you show me 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock? I don't want your arms 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. This is too stressful. 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And what we just practiced. But now we're alternating, right? One goes forward, one goes back. Super sexy. Super pretty. Wrist down, Miss Kativan. Aha, Miss Natalie, wrist down. Val, wrist down. Wrist down, Mike. Aha. I'm like the belly dance police. Look, why? Look. Look at my wrist. Yes. Arm. Don't let the arm move too much. There's no snake arms happening. It's just the shoulders. Other arm. 1, 2. Can you try that? Yeah, you got it. Good. Relax the shoulders. Relax your elbows. Don't give me this one. Okay. Here's 4, 3, 2, and rest. Shake it out. Look, cross in front. Now hold it out. And one goes forward and back. And come up. Open up those feet. Wide, wide, wide. Take a deep breath. Good work. Inhale. Exhale. Open up the heart, lungs. Roll down. Reset that spine. Bring it up. I love it. Grow tall. Grab your wrist. Upside bend. Beautiful. Come back center. Just a little release before water break. Okay. Come center. Open arms. Cross. Down. Hook. Pull. Point that shoulder down. Yes. Stretch it. And again. Open. Cross. Down and hook. Pull. Point that shoulder down. Beautiful. And rest. All right. Shake it out. Quick water break. Quick. I love big hair. Love it. All right. Let's continue. Yes. Let's continue. Now the fun begins. I'm going to put on some fun Arabic pop. The first 30 minutes I used what's called a rhythm loop. There was no singing, there was no melody, it was just rhythm, so that you could really just focus on what you feel and hear from your teacher. Now there's going to be some more rich music, so we're going to go back to what we did, but hopefully this will now help you kind of connect a little further, because in Arabic dance, the music is the dance, and the dance is the music, so they're kind of married, if you will. Okay, let's do it. Feet. Start with the heels kissing. Slide the heel into the arch. We do this to look beautiful and presentable. Okay? Grow tall. Abdominals nice and strong and engaged. Inhale. Lift up. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Relax your arms, hands on hips. Look what we're going to do. Wrists down. Try to apply what we learned. One arm up. Other arm. Yes. Can you bring them up wider? Less is more. Don't overdo it. Give me a small shoulder. And rest. Straight leg shimmy. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Weight in the heels. Sit down. Push. Side. And side. Good. Shift